Hello, hello! Today we're going to create a chicken. So we're going to need a glove, some glue, a straw, elastic band, a brush, scissors, paper cup, the pieces of yellow paper, 1, 2, 3, yellow circle, black circle, and little red triangle, and a corrector. Let's start. First, let's create a head. So take a yellow circle, take some glue, take your black circle, and attach it to the yellow one. Okay. Okay, take a red triangle, apply some glue, and attach the beak. Okay, so the head is ready. Take the corrector and finish the eye. Okay, the eye is ready. Now let's attach the head to the thumb. Yeah, take your glue, take the brush, okay, and attach the head to the glove. So the head is ready, like this. Let's make a hole in the cup, and then put the glove on the cup. Take the elastic band, fix it, okay, so the head is here. Now we need to create the feather. So take your yellow paper stripes, bend them in two all together. Yes, bend them in two, and let's cut out the feather. So take your scissors and cut out the feather. Okay, so cut out like this, and now cut the feather in this way in order to create the feather. Yes. Okay. Great. So the feather is ready. Open it. Okay, take one. Take your glue. Take the brush. So spread the glue on the feather. Okay, and let's attach it to one finger. So finger number 1. Yeah, finger. So feather number 2. Do the same. Apply some glue and attach it to the finger. Okay. Finger number 2. Do the same with feather number 3. Take the feather, add some glue. Okay. And attach it to finger number 4. And the last feather. Take the feather, take your brush. And attach to the glove. Okay, now take the straw, insert it in the hole, and let's check if our chicken works. Blow. Okay, great job. The chicken is ready. Now you can play with it.